The Zippo Classic lighter is made of two components, manufactured separately, the outer case and the inside assembly which houses the mechanics of the lighter. The outer case will end with a chrome finish, but it starts out as raw brass sheet stock.
It's fed into the machine, and it comes out of the machine where it looks like the shape that we need to make the lighter.
60 tons of pressure form the shape.
And when it comes out of the machine, we actually have two pieces.
The top and bottom are attached with a hinge that is welded to each of the two pieces.
This machine will weld the top and the bottom to the hinge.
After the hinge is attached, the cases go through what's called a brush finish machine that will sand and wash the cases in preparation for their eventual chrome plating.
This is called the brush finish machine. We load them onto this valve. They go through the sanding valves and come out the other end.
From the other end, they move on to be nickel coated. Because chrome doesn't adhere to brass, the nickel will function as the glue for the chrome. The cases are dipped into a nickel bath.
As the machine lifts, you'll see that the parts are no longer brass, they're covered with nickel.
After the nickel plate, the shells are rinsed.
5 rinses follow the nickel plate, then they go into the chrome tank.
After 4 minutes in the chrome tank, the case gets that signature Zippo look.
The chrome is the finish that we all know, yes.
The iconic Zippo case is now complete. 28,000 lighters a day are finished and shipped out of